Hi everyone, my name is Sharon and I am so excited about this system called Entrepreneur Global Networks. It's a very easy system, much better than what I've seen out there. And once I saw it, I knew that it was going to be the one that I would be utilizing. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to actually show you step by step in this short video how to actually create what is called a lead capture page, and you will tell for yourself whether or not the system is right for you. Okay, so just one sec. Okay, now the first step in order to create what is called a lead capture page is to actually create a page. Because this system, it runs on what we call WordPress pages. So to create a not sales page, but lead capture page, you click on Add New, and you type a title. We'll just give the title lead capture page for now. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll publish it. This is a way of saving it, actually saving it. So I'm publishing it. Alright, so that's been saved. Alright then, so we've done created the lead capture page, actual page in WordPress. Now what we need to do is to create the actual lead capture pages that you see online, where your people enter their actual information. So in order to do that, you click on edit here with Thrive Content Builder, and what it does, it takes you to this other window. Just give it a chance here, and you could see we have here lead capture page. All right, but we don't want to just leave the page looking as it is. So what we need to do is to click on at this top right hand corner, click down and choose landing page. So this is what comes up with loads of options in our default landing pages. What we want is the lead capture page. So let's scroll down and choose one of these. Let's see. Let's choose a simple one. Okay, so let's choose just one second. Let's choose this mini squeeze page here, because that's really quick for example purposes, right? So we're going to scroll down, and once we've chosen or selected that option, we simply say load landing page. Now landing page and lead capture page or squeeze page is the name a lot of people use interchangeably. Alright, so here it comes up. So this is really cool, as you can see. So you have an automatically generated leads capture page. Now if you want to change the background, I mean this background is for example purposes, sorry. If you want to change the background, you can change the background, but I'll be leaving the background, but I'll show you how you can change the background. And in order to change the background, you have to click on Thrive landing pages, and then click on landing page settings, and this option will come up. So now you have the option to actually choose a color, right, a background color. You could click on that and choose a different type of color if you want to. You could choose patterns, as well as you could actually change the image. But in this example, I'll be leaving it as is. So we'll just click out of this and go to the actual title and change that title, because each individual would need to have a lead capture page that resonates with what they're actually targeting in terms of their client or segmented group of people who would be interested in what they have to offer. So the title is very important, so that would have to be changed. Okay, so let's change the title to reflect something that is more people friendly in terms of a targeted audience. So let me change the title. Let's target perhaps teachers. Okay, so 1 second whilst I type this. So in order to type, you need to click in this box to change the actual text. So I'm going to click in the box, anywhere in the box here, and notice I have this cursor prompting, so I'm going to highlight. Okay, let me try clicking on it here, see if it does anything. No, just 1 second. So let's try clicking here. Okay, let me just try deleting. Oh yeah, so deleting works. Okay, so I'm deleting it to type in my title, and I'm going to make it targeted to teachers. Just 1 second. So okay, so the title is going to be part-time teacher makes sales leads or leads for the first time. Okay, so let's type that in. With this system, yes, makes sense. Okay, so let's click to see what it looks like. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. Now you could play around with this. All right, and if you click in the box, you could highlight areas and bold it. Let's see. Let's highlight leads. Click here. Oh, part-time. Okay, let's make part-time in a different color. So we highlight part-time and make it orange and bold. Okay, so that stands out. So let's click this X. So you know, this part-time teacher makes leads for the first time with this system. Alright, and that's really simple. I just love this. I love it. I must confess, I love it. Okay, so just 1 second. Okay, now the next step would be to, let's see, get rid of this extra text. I don't think we need that, so I'm gonna delete this box, and it's as simple as highlighting it like this and clicking on the X, and it's gone. So that's that there. So now let's scroll down just a bit. I'm going to delete these extra areas here as well, and this one as well. Okay, so the box is now more defined. And next we need to link first name and email address with the actual email campaign. So I'll do that just 1 second. Okay, before I use the email campaign system to connect to, let's just change the text on the start download page here. So let's click here and see. 1 second. Let's click on edit components, and it's a submit button, so I need to click on the submit button, and from there I will actually choose the button text, highlight it and change it. So I'm going to change it to get access here for example purposes. Okay, there are many different types of options that you could play around with once you get in. It's quite user friendly. So we X out here. Okay, now right, so let's link to the email campaign system in order for the first name and email addresses to go into or be collected. You have to have a system that captures that. So what I use a software called or system called Traffic Wave, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So we click on this and connect with service, and we're going to create a new connection, and you have the option of API as well as HTML code. So we'll choose HTML form code. Now with API you could use GetResponse, you could use Aweber, you could use MailChimp, etc. But I utilize the HTML form code. So we say go to next step, right? And this area is kept blank for the actual HTML step. Okay, so I'm going to go to the actual email campaign that I use, which is Traffic Wave, and click on Traffic Wave. Go to Campaign Manager, and I've created this campaign called EGN Traffic 1. You need to set up a campaign, and what I like about this actual trafficwave.net, it enables you to actually receive additional income as well. So if you're interested in that aspect, you can, and I'll show you how to go about that. So we click on EGN Traffic 1, which is the campaign that I've already created. Alright. Okay, after I've clicked on the Traffic Wave campaign, I know there's a subscribers and capture pages form. So I need to click on capture pages or forms and click on capture forms. Click on that. And then I need to retrieve the basic HTML form code. So I'll click here. And scroll, this is the option, as you can see, use the raw HTML. So I'll use the raw HTML. I need to highlight it, highlight and copy. After I've copied it, I just need to paste it back into this area here, paste, and click generate fields. Once I've generated the fields, this is what comes up. I type in the name, enter name, and enter email, and that's it, folks. Simple as that. If you want to get started, just click on the Access button below.